Hello viewers, this is a follow-up video to question 3, which was about a ballistics pendulum. As the question said, this is a low-tech way of measuring the speed of a bullet. Now the purpose of this video is to discuss some more high-tech ways of doing the same thing. One of these is an instrument which has a starting point and an ending point, two different locations at which a bullet passes, or whatever the projectile is that we want to find the speed of passes. And those 2 points are a known distance apart, which means that if the instrument can time how long it takes to pass those two points, then it can calculate the speed of the object. And if the 2 points are close enough together that the effects of air resistance between them are negligible, so there's no appreciable slowing down between the 2 points, then you've got a good value for the speed of the object as it passes by. Now we're also going to have a look at the approach that Mythbusters uses. So we've got, what they do is they fire a bullet past a stripe background, and let's say the stripes are, to make the numbers nice and easy, 1 metre apart, and they're filming it with a 1000 frame per second camera. Now 1000 frames per second is absolutely nothing. The current record for filming speed of a camera, as I'm filming this on the 21st of June 2019, is 10 trillion frames per second. But getting back to this scenario, let's say it takes 10 frames to travel 1 metre. We need to therefore work out how fast the object is travelling. So how far would it travel in 1000 frames, which is of course 1 second as it's 1000 frames per second? Well, we need to multiply 10 frames by 100 to get 1000 frames. And if we multiply 1 metre also by the same number, by 100, you get 100 metres. So it's 100 metres in 1000 frames. Let's write that over each other. So we've got 100 metres over 1000 frames, but the camera is 1000 frames per second, so we've got 1000 frames per 1 second, and we notice 1000 frames cancels out and we get a speed of 100 metres per second. So we've got a value of the speed of the projectile, and this is the way it's done on Mythbusters. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.